novo, de novo. Vamos dançar. E dançar. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, my hair is really crazy and nappy. Yeah, it's like this. So my name is Marelina and welcome back to my channel. I say that already, right? So today's video I will show you guys how I do my sewing. I will do something like I don't do before. I don't do my hair like a long time ago. I mean, I braid it, but I don't do like weave or wig, something like that. I don't do it for a long time ago, so I will show you guys how I do my sewing. And yeah, let's go to the video. Before we go to this video, don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up this video and subscribe. I'm crazy, know what I'm saying. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up this video and follow me to my social media. So I will leave the link down below of everything, and please go subscribe and to support me in this channel, because it's really hard to do a video, to make a video, because you have to do it and stuff like that. Okay, please, and let's go to the video. I think I will finish this hair tomorrow. Okay, see you guys.
I can only imagine. I want to know if you will be.
Okay, I'm using this comb over here, and I will use this gel over here. I don't use a long time ago because that's it. There's one over here just to, I don't know, my edges or something like that. I will use this comb to comb my hair. Yeah, as I was saying, I will use this hair to comb my hair. This hair to comb my hair. I use this comb to comb my hair, and I'm using Let's go. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't have a mirror. I mean, I have a mirror. Let me just take the mirror and put it in front of me. Yeah. As you can see, it's like it's brown already. It's not expensive. It's really $1. $2. I'm using this lace over here. No, it's not lace. It's closure. I'm using this closure right here. I buy it separate. It's really expensive. It's like $34. So, okay. I'm using this hair over here. You can see it's really beautiful and nice. So yeah, painting. It's expensive too. It's almost $200. Too much. But the guy was nice. I made like both of them like $100. It was like really nice. Yeah, this one comes for like a closure, but this let me show you guys the closure is so like it's a round one. It's not good. So this one is a better one. I'm using a needle, of course, a thread, scissors, and a comb. This comb over here. So yeah. So I don't really do my hair the way I'm doing right now because they put like that to be cool. When I used to do like my hair when I started, I just saw everything, saw my this one, the closure, and saw everything like that. But today I will do something different because I want my hair to look real. So let's start. I'm just putting my wig up first. It comes to when I give to my mother-in-law. And I have this one over here. It is nice. I'm just putting, it's like a socks. Let's do. Hi, how do I look? I don't think I need this. I have to take off my earrings because it's not So as you can see, I did my lace. It's not lace. It's closure. I did my closure already. I didn't even like record it because it's hard to do it. It's really hard. I think it's the hardest part to do the closure. You guys will see. So let me just show you guys. Show you guys this hair over here. There's a lot. It's heavy. It's really heavy. So it's like this. It's 100% under unprocessed Brazilian region hair. Just like over here. Like it. For 214th, 216th, and 218th. I'm using 14 first because I don't want that too long. And yeah, it's the right way to use them. I can use it anyway. It's not very. Yeah. Like this. It's wavy. It's nice. Let's open.